Hey guys, what's happening? Charles and Chargers back with a. We're gonna rip the Topps Holiday box I picked up from the LCS. And first, I have just one mail day pickup. It is the Joey Bosa Spectra 1 of 1. Very happy to add this to the collection. I just need the. I think it's the Nebula out of 2. So if anybody happens to have one or knows someone that does wants to make a deal, let me know, please. And let's get right into this box. I've seen a couple of these open. I think mainly from Up North Collectors, if I remember right. Pretty cool stuff. And the LCS had them for just barely over actual cost. All right. Our ornament. At least it's not Correa. Got George Springer. I can't bring myself to put him in the background, but it's not Correa. And there's our packs. Got one relic, auto, or auto relic in every box. So let's see how we do. All right, starting off with Ramon Laureano, John Birdie, rookie, Mitch Garver, Jack Mayfield, rookie, Zach Gallen, rookie, Robert Duggar, nice, Rizzo, I'll go right in the PC, Will Smith, rookie cup, Brandon Crawford, and Josh Donaldson. All right, next up, Domingo Leyba, Nelson Cruz, Josh Hader, Clayton Kershaw, Blake Snell, Patrick Corbin, Julio Urias. No, I'm sorry, Luis Urias. Luis Urias. Nice Kevin Biggio, Brusdar Graterol, and Eloy, rookie cup. Okay, Matthew Boyd, Walker Buehler, Ketel Marte, Sam Hilliard, rookie, Yadi Molina, and this is the, what do they call them? The metallic. You can kind of feel it. You have to feel for it, too. But that's the metallic. Brandon Lau, Matt Chapman, Wilson Contreras, Malik Smith, and Brandon Nimmo. There's Christian Yelich, Travis Demeritte, Michael Conforto. Here's our relic here, Albert Pujols. Gurriel jersey. All right. Jackie Bradley Jr., Jesus Luzardo, and Bryce Harper. At least I'm getting a lot of guys I collect. Zach Collins, Danny Mendick, Oscar Mercado, Randy Dobnak. There's the base, Yadier. Matt Carpenter. Nice. Randy Rosarina, rookie. Seeing if that's the short print. No, I don't believe so. Jose Barrios. Nick Castellanos and Gregory Polanco. Actually, if I remember right, they are flipped over. That's cool. Got the Rosarina. Happy with that. All right, Ryan McBroom. Alex Young. Oh, beautiful. Luis Robert. Take that. JT Real Muto. All right, there we go. Mookie Betts. This will be the variation. He's got the scarf around him. That's pretty cool. I'll take that Mookie Betts variation. Kwang Young Kim. Mauricio Dubon. Rangel Ravello. Jorge Polanco. Charlie Blackmon. All right, Christian Walker. Robbie Cano. Tony Kemp. Jock Peterson, new Cub. Chris Sale. Matt Thaiss. Oh, that's the metallic, too. Metallic rookie. Springer. Strasburg. Clevenger. And Keston Hiura, rookie cup. Schwarbaum, now at the Nationals. Brian Reynolds, rookie cup. Cody Bellinger. Jake Rogers. Moncada. J.D. Martinez. A.J. Puck. Nice Acuna. Aristides Aquino, rookie. And Jose Urena. At least we're getting the big rookies, though. That's cool. Victor Robles, rookie cup. Otani. Nice Chris Bryant. Luke Voigt. Randy Dobnak, that's the metallic. Luis Severino. Mitch Haniger. Jake Odorizzi. Trey Turner. And Kyle Tucker. All right, last pack. Miguel Andujar. Josh Bell. Kyle Seager. Vlad Jr. Rookie Cup. Cool. Ryan Zimmerman. Aaron Judge. Nick Senzel. Willie Castro Rookie. Zach Greinke. And Nico Horner Rookie. All right, so overall, not bad. Here's the stack of rookies. The two hits, well, one hit, Gurriel, jersey. And then the ornament was Springer. And then nice little stack of PC and kind of bigger cards. Got the Vlad Rookie Cup. KB for the PC. Aquino Rookie. Got the Acuna. Matt Thaiss Metallic Rookie. Mookie Betts was the variation with the scarf. Got the Luis Robert. Got the Rosarina. Then Yadier Metallic. Then just a couple other guys I collect. Kershaw and, of course, the Rizzo for the PC. Pretty happy with that. So, all right, it's a fun rip. So, it was worth it. That's all I got for this one, guys. And then the one pickup for the mail day. It should have been two. I had the 1-1 tag patch of Bosa, the 1-1 Spectra tag patch, and the guy sent the wrong card. So somebody else got mine. I'm hoping this can get worked out because I obviously a 1-1, you know. So, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.